there, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney. In today's video, we are headed to Walmart to check out their Christmas decor. Now, I will give the same disclaimer that I gave in the last Christmas Dollar Tree haul that I did, and that is, I get that it's way too early for this, but I broke out my buffalo plaid blanket scarf, and I'm just rolling with it because I love Christmas, and I like to wait till after Thanksgiving, but really then you only have like about 3 seconds of Christmas. So we're gonna just celebrate them all. I've got pumpkins around my house. I'm here gonna show you some Christmas stuff, and that's just how it's gonna be. So if you're not feeling Christmas right now, you know, you can wait, put this on the shelf and come back and watch it later. So I went to 2 different Walmarts in the past couple days, and the first one had like, you know, a small amount of stuff out, which is typical. I go to one and I think I'm gonna find everything and then I don't. But I went to a second one and they had a lot of their stuff set up. There's still a couple of things that I am really on the hunt for. One being a really pretty flocked wreath. If I can find a picture, I will insert it. But I'm on the hunt for that wreath. It's under $10 from what I've seen other people say about it, and I really want that for my front door. So put that on the wish list. I'll let you know if put that on the wish list. I will let you guys know if I end up finding that. But now let's get into all of the amazing things that I found for Christmas at Walmart. The quality of these truck signs are amazing for $5. If you like to rent a truck like I do, hit up Walmart. So it's falling around all around me, but check it out because these, I think they had something similar to this last year, but these are definitely new. Head to Walmart because they're not going to last long. Now these are a full $1 more than the Dollar Tree ornaments. They're comparable in size, but I think the quality is worth the extra $1 if you're looking for something that'll stand up a few more seasons than Dollar Tree items. I like the Dollar Tree owl better, but this one's smaller and it's got like corrugated cardboard on it. This is really stinking cute. The snowman on it. This guy's better quality. It's more of a wood base than the Dollar Tree stuff. I'm gonna start, I think, with one of my favorite things that I found. These trucks, I plan on using them as a garland, and they're very similar to what Dollar Tree is selling right now, but they're about half the size, I would say. So you get 4 for $1.98. So I got, for $4, I got 8 of them instead of the 4 larger ones. I thought to myself, I really have a plan in mind for these, and the smaller sizes are really gonna help me kind of make that happen. So I was really excited to find these. I've been to like umpteen million Dollar Trees in the past couple weeks, just stopping when I go places, and I've not found those trucks anywhere. If you found the trucks, comment below and let me know if you had to hunt for them, because I'm sad about it that I can't find any. But you know, that always happens. There's always like 1 or 2 things every season that I just literally can't find anywhere, and it's a pain, but it happens. The next thing I grabbed were these mini ornaments, and I thought these would be so cute for gift tags. The backs are just blank and red, so you could take a Sharpie and write on that. But how cute would that be? They're not as obnoxious as Dollar Tree ornaments for present toppers. Caught my eye was this cute little like station wagon with the wood panels that said dashing through the snow, but they've also got a VW bus, which I'm thinking that's kind of gonna be neck and neck with the red truck this year. I've seen that already everywhere. VW van, which I saw last year, but not really as much as I've seen already this year. These are gonna be really cute to use on presents as present toppers, but they would also make really cute ornaments, and they're fairly affordable if you're trying to do a small tree in an ancillary room, guest bedroom, things like that. These kind of mini ornament sets would be great if you're not into the round bulb ornaments. Up next is this cute little blue truck with 2 guys. It looks like it should be part of those little Christmas scenes, and I think that's what I'm going to use it for. I did a DIY last year with a Christmas scene using some vases and some different things to make it look like snow, and so I am probably going to make a video to show you guys how I assemble. It's got little lights, so I obviously won't leave that on all the time, but I think it's so cute picking up a Christmas tree. They also had a red one that looked like it had broken down and they were trying to fix it up. So I looked at the red, but I really liked this scene better. This was $5.92. So when you think about the fact that like all those things that you put in the little Christmas like town scenes are like stupid expensive, I thought this was pretty affordable. Next up is this light up TV, and this was something that my husband saw and he really wanted to get, and I said of course, because I usually dictate all of the decor and he loves Christmas just as much as I do, so I wanted to be able to kind of let him pick out some stuff, and it also helped that it's red and it's going to go with all the decor. Kids with sleds moving trees, and it says tree shop, and there's a little red truck in it. Hopefully I'll try to get a good up close for you guys, but he walked up to me and played this and basically just said, we need this, and I said okay, that's fine. This was $9.97, so it was under 10 bucks, but it's really cute. Little TV, you can put down or up the little antennas, you can see those. So I thought this was super cute, and I was excited that he got to grab some decor, because then that'll make him a little more invested when we go to set it all up. I walked through everything in the regular store, and then I went outside to the garden section, and that's where I found these. They had these cute little signs that were on stakes that had a lot of different sayings on them, and I thought this would be really cute for a couple different things. So one, if you have a poinsettia in your house, you could stick this in there. They had a bunch of different variations of it. Just stick it in the dirt of the poinsettia. I also thought it would be really cute to slide this in a wine bag and then tie the top. So instead of, you know, having like an ornament hang off the front, this can be on the top. Gift baskets, there's a lot of different uses for this, so I'm not totally sure what I'm going to use this for, but I saw it and thought that the sign was really cute. And at the very least, you can pop it off and use the top side as decor if you don't need the wood stake. So one thing I grabbed was this gift card holder, which says Season's Greetings, and it's got that VW bus on the front with a little bit of glitter. You can put a gift card in the back, but I thought this was so cute. And what you can do with these is you can just use the box as decor. So instead of using it as a gift, you can just go ahead and shut the box and just sit it up like this on a shelf. You could just use the lid if you wanted to, but the box, I found, especially if you have like fans going or things on a table, it's less apt to fall over if you use the actual box, and it also just depends on how much room you have for this profile. But I do like using these kind of boxes. A lot of times they're very pretty, they'll match your aesthetic, and then what I really like to use them for is storage for the next year. So I'll use the boxes to put different ornaments in, or different little trinkets or knickknacks that are breakable, so then you wrap them up, put them in the box, and then you've got decor plus storage. So I do like to use that. I was so excited to see this box. I have seen it on a few people's hauls, and I really wanted to get it for our house, and it is this gift box that says going home for the holidays. It's got that station wagon with a tree on the top on the front, like I had mentioned, that's super trendy. On the sides it also says going home for the holidays all the way around, and it's got snow, and I just think this is super cute. I'm going to use this on some of the new shelves that we've installed in our house, and I just love the sentiment. I love the image. Also, see people do with these is you can set it up like this. So you stack the box behind and then you set this up like this, and what you can do is put your Christmas cards as you get them in the back. So if you don't like to have them all displayed but you like to keep them all together, here's a really simple way that if you see it from the side or from the front, you can put your Christmas cards in here, and then after the season, if you're somebody that likes to save it, just pop the lid on and save them, or you can get rid of them. But if you don't have like a big clip-on display or put them on your fridge, that's an easy way to use one of these gift boxes to have your Christmas cards out and displayed while also having it look all put together and very decorated. The second I saw it in the store, I just light bulb for DIY that I want to do. So I need my husband to help me cut a few things. It's going to involve some wood, but I'm really excited to test that out and see how it's going to work. So stay tuned for that. But the item is this gift bag. Now, how cute is this? This looks gorgeous. The front has glitter, the back does not. The little tag is really cute too that says Merry Christmas to you. But then the side as well I thought was so cute because it had buffalo check. So I have so many gift bags that I did not need another gift bag. I needed that, like, I didn't need anything in my life, but I did see this and thought this would make a really cool DIY that I think a lot of you would like to make, and it's not going to include a cricket. And that's everything I purchased from Walmart. Now, I am still on the hunt for that flocked wreath, so I will let you guys know if I find more stuff. With all that said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that button down below because all that stuff will be coming up and you'll be notified every time I post a video if you hit that button. Also, be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I like to share a lot of behind the scenes content, and when I find stuff at stores on my Instagram story. So that's just Whiskey and Whit over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!